Today I wanted to show you a video. I've been putting together this video for a little bit for you on how to like make really good healthy smoothies, like how to make the best healthy smoothies and make them taste really good, make the texture really good, just make it a really good, filling, nutritious, delicious breakfast or a snack, or you know, whenever you want to eat a smoothie is fine, or drink a smoothie. Then I'm going to show you some new healthy smoothie recipes, sort of using the tips that I'm going to show you.